If you've recently taken a hit to the face, no matter what it is, honestly, the most common one are dogs. I get dogs, backing their head up and it just, it kills you, or a baseball or a friend or a kid or whatever happens. If you have a loose tooth or a chipped tooth or a broken tooth, I can usually take care of it in one day, okay? Really try to if I can. Just make sure you let my front desk receptionist know when you book that you've got this this circumstance, this concern that's going on right now, and that you would like to have it taken care of that same day, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit of extra time into my books to take good care of you because I know that you are a busy person. You've got a lot going on. And dentistry, let's be honest, usually isn't at the top of that list. Usually it's down here, right? Now, if you've got a big concern, we will very much try to get you taken care of when you come in, okay? Just make sure to tell them that on the phone or when you book. My receptionist will reach out and confirm everything with you. Make sure you verbally tell them, hey, I really want to try to get this taken care of that same day, and we will do everything in our power to accommodate you, okay? Now, the best part is when you come in, it's just a $19 exam. It's a quick x-rays and it's an exam. We put a whole plan together for you and it's 20 bucks. So I mean, the barrier of entry is very, very low for the amount of knowledge and possible treatment, right? The treatment isn't $20, but at least the exam is, and we can know exactly what to do and what it's gonna cost you to take care of it, okay?